Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
The Inspector General of Police, Byakagaba, has confirmed that the Uganda Police Force plans to construct a primary school, secondary school, and a technical vocational institute on the contested land in Erute. The initiative aims to support the education of children of police officers and improve the general welfare of personnel in the region. The land is being contested by police and a group of people who procured part of it from Lera district. During his visit to Lera city today, IGP Byakagaba inspected several police facilities, including the regional police headquarters, the barracks, and the disputed land in Erute. He later held a strategic meeting with North Kyoga police officers at Lera Hotel to discuss the ongoing and upcoming developments within the force. Byakagaba commended North Kyoga police for safeguarding the Erute land and said discussions with the wider police leadership are ongoing regarding the proposed educational institutions. He noted the plans are underway to procure bricklaying machine to support the production of materials for the construction of both the schools and additional police accommodation. The IGP also pledged continued efforts to enhance the welfare of police officers, highlighting initiatives such as the provision of new uniforms, construction of accommodation and office blocks at the sub-county police headquarters, procurement of motorcycles for field operations. He confirmed that 1,000 motorcycles are ready for distribution and shilling 6 billion has been allocated for these projects. In a firm message to officers, Byakagaba cautioned against indiscipline and involvement in activities outside their official duties, especially during the political season. He warned that such misconduct could lead to legal consequences or stagnation in ranks due to lack of promotion.
Our intent is to do good to all of us. Why? You are the heavy lifters. You are our Kanyamas. You are the ones who make the IGP and all his team. You are the ones who make the RPC and his team. Without you, without us. With you, with us. I always keep.
Thank you very much for watching Lango News channel. I am Denish Ongora. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.